Hey there, it's Tim Verdouw, and I just want to send out a quick video that Profit Eagle is live now. I did a review a few days ago, but I didn't mention my bonuses yet, and it wasn't live. So for every subscriber who hit the notification button, has now the notification that this product is live. What I will do in this video, I will give you a quick overview of this product so that you have a good idea if you haven't seen my full review yet, so that you have a good idea what Profit Eagle is. And I will go over my bonuses so that you can see what I'm offering to help you also with Profit Eagle, because I got some pretty cool stuff offered as a bonus that will definitely help you with Profit Eagle. Now, first, let me explain what Profit Eagle is. This is Profit Eagle. When you log in, this is the dashboard that you're going to see, or the lead generation dashboard. And depending on which version you bought, the front end product is 10 products. And there's an upsell where you will have 30 products to promote with Profit Eagle. Now, what is Profit Eagle? Profit Eagle will give you landing pages, 10 to 30 landing pages with freebies that you can give away. Now, this is one of those freebies that you're seeing right here. And that will create a page like this, what you're seeing right here. This is a capture page, a lead capture page, and all these freebies come with those lead capture pages. Now, once people click that button, they can fill out their details so that it's being registered within Profit Eagle, and then they be redirected to a download page where they can download their freebie. And what it states here, download your gift and pick one or more of our recommended products. Now, when people click on these links, it will open a new tab and people will be offered another product that you're promoting. So actually, after someone got the freebie, you redirect them to your offers. You're able to add up to 4 offers on the thank you page. Now, once that is done, people are within the system, and then you can promote products to them. Also, depending if you bought the front end version or the upgraded version with the first upsell, you can promote 10 to 30 products. As you can see, these products are in here, where you can request to promote these products in here. So you can, when you click on apply, it will open the JVZoo page where you can request to promote this product. And once that is done, once you have all these products in here, there's an email sequence in here that you can use to follow up on autopilot. So in here, you can say, the first 3 days, I want to send this offer, for example. So let me put them all to 0 here. So by default, it's this. Let me zoom in so you can see it good. So by default, you can say the first product that I want to promote is 0 to 100. And then here you have the option to add this to the queue. Then the promo 2, you can say I want to have point rank. Promo 3, you can say live stream profit. Promo 4, you can say live event blaster. And you can add all these emails to the queue. And once you do that, you'll see them at the bottom in here. And you can see here, all your emails are being scheduled with Profit Eagle. And depending, again, which version you bought, if you bought the front-end version, you will have 30 days of emails planned within Profit Eagle that will go out to every new subscriber that subscribed with your freebie. So everyone who comes into the system will get for 30 days, let's say each day they get a new email. For 3 days, one product will be promoted. So if you have 10 products, it will be promoted for 30 days. If you have the 30 package, it will be promoted for 3 months. So once someone subscribes, you can actually, with Profit Eagle, email them for 3 months on autopilot with this system. Pretty cool, because the money is in the follow-up. That's what we say. When people buy solo ads, for example, almost nobody is profitable. But when the profit comes is when people follow up with emails. And that's exactly what Profit Eagle is doing. And that's why I think this is such a powerful tool. Even if you're not a newbie, if you already do affiliate marketing for a longer time, you know the power of follow-up. And if you're a newbie, this is a perfect system for you. Now, let me get to my bonuses that I'm going to offer with Profit Eagle. My first bonus that I'm going to offer is a really cool bonus because by default, you will get Profit Eagle pages like this. Let me see the few details in here. These are the links that you're going to get. Let me paste it in my browser. I don't know if you can see it, but it says profiteagle.net, and then pages, leads, MW is dash MGYX template 2. Very, very ugly. What I'm going to show you is a hack to run Profit Eagle on your WordPress website by creating WordPress posts, and then it will be also on your own domain. So here's an example. Here's a live example. When you click this link below this bonus, you will be redirected. You can see this is on my own website, timverdouw.com/Profit Eagle clean URL, as you can see here, and it runs on my own domain. And this way I'm branding myself. When people subscribe to my list, they see, okay, I'm subscribing to Tim Verdouw and not to Profit Eagle. So when they receive the next day an email from Tim Verdouw, they understand that this comes from me because they subscribed actually on my website. So very powerful bonus. Then I'm going to show you this hack, how to run this on your own domain with WordPress with clean URLs. My second bonus is I'm going to show you how to set up a free mail server that lets you send out 10,000 emails per month with Profit Eagle for free. Normally, when you set up Profit Eagle, I cannot show you the details because I have my details in here, but you can add your SMTP details. Now, when you have a normal host, they will only allow you to send out 50 to 100 emails a day. Now imagine yourself if you want to run traffic to your pages. Let's say you want to drive solo ads or other paid traffic, and there will be more than 100 visitors on that page subscribing. Then from visitor 101, 102, 103 will not get emails from you because your host does not allow that. And especially if you're also going to follow up every day, your host will not allow that. And with this special bonus, I'm going to show you how to set up an SMTP server, which allows you to send out 10,000 emails per month for free. Definitely something that you want to have if you plan to run traffic to your pages. My third bonus is I'm going to show you how to add a free chat service to your Profit Eagle pages. As you see on my website, I have a chat on my website. Why is that? So that I can answer questions that people have that visit my page. And that will also be with Profit Eagle. If people have questions about the offer, about the upsells or the recommended products, you are available to answer their questions. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can add this chat service to any website. It even includes a mobile app. Then my fourth bonus is I'll show you 9 traffic sources that you can use to send traffic to your Sand Eagle pages. This is not solo ads. These are other traffic sources that you can use to drive traffic to your pages. And then my bonus 5 is I'm going to show you how to create killer bonus pages. So instead of recommending products, as you can see in here, so let's say I'm subscribing here. Let's say I subscribe. And then, okay, I will get the recommended products. What I'm doing here is now I redirect straight to the offer. What will even work better if you set up bonus pages, because people will get something extra and they will buy you much quicker. And that's what I'm going to show you in this specific bonus, how to create killer bonus pages at maximum speed and professional pages also. And then also you're going to get extra bonuses when you click this link here. It will open a new tab with extra bonuses that you're also going to get. All these bonuses that are on this document, you will also get access to these bonuses as well. Now, how can you receive my bonuses? You can get my bonus. Simply go to these buttons on my page, buy Profit Eagle here and get my free bonuses. If you buy through this page, make sure your cookies are emptied. You're going to get my bonuses instantly delivered to your Warrior Plus account. You can immediately access your bonuses. You get access to my trainings where I'm showing you all the things that I just explained. So make sure if you want to get my bonuses, click on one of these buttons and buy Profit Eagle. Now the product, the funnel is $27 to $37 for the front end. And that will give you 10 super funnels, 10 corresponding and awesome done for you opt-in pages also with the email follow-up. So 30 emails every day, 1 email and 3 emails per product. And then the pro package, the $47, is 30 super funnels with 30 top converting products with 90 days, so 3 months follow up. And then you also got the membership where you get every latest funnel every single month, 5 super funnels every month. Upgrader 3 is the traffic for $197, and here's the upgrade 4 with the unlimited reseller license where you can resell Profit Eagle as yourself and keep the profits. So again, if you want to grab my bonuses, make sure click that button on my page. If you have any questions, you can contact me through the chat on my website or post your questions below this video. And that's it. Grab your copy today while the price is low, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.